Cleaning your machine. This is something that needs to be done every single day whenever it's used. If you don't do it for even one day, you're going to get a build-up of coffee. The heat and the coffee mixing together turns to like a tar substance, so highly important. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a cleaning solution. We use Polycaf and then some rubber blanks. So all you do is you get the rubber blank, pop it in the handles, and then you're wanting to use about 3 grams of this stuff just to cover that center point. From there, you're going to pop the handles in. You can do one at a time, or you can do as many as you want if you've got up to a 4-group machine. All we're going to do is we're going to run the start-stop button for 5 seconds. We're then going to stop it for 5 seconds, and we're going to repeat this 5 times. So it's on for 5, off for 5, times 5. Once we've done this, we're then going to take the handles out, tip them out and give them a rinse, so just to get rid of any of that solution there. And then we're going to repeat the process again. So this time with no Polycaf, just the blank and just hot water. So 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off, 5 times. Once we've done that, we're then going to give the group heads a nice clean. So we're just going to get a brush, ideally like a bristled brush, and just give them a good scrub to get any of the coffee off there, and then just rinse it through again.